a life sciences building, I like to think about it really as the hardware. But I think equally important in life sciences real estate is recognition that software is equally important. And what I mean by software is it's ecosystem, it's people, it's companies, it's the understanding of all the constituents that make up an ecosystem, from service providers, CROs, as well as academic institutions, large companies, corporate venture groups, early stage investors, late stage investors. One of the things that I think has been interesting, again, back to that macro market trend, is coinciding with Chicago's organic growth, given some of those investments I described and the way that the assets have been building substantially to now meet up with this global capital markets environment that's fueling this growth. I would say that it's now favoring early stage towns. Chicago, I would say the pendulum is swinging from historically late stage town, private equity driven, specialty pharma type companies coming out of commercial operations like Baxter and Abbott and Cyril in the past. Now the pendulum is swinging to early stage. And so it's casting a spotlight on the huge engine that's been building over time of the innovation that's now being unleashed and being exposed in places like Chicago and around the region. And I think that our growth is the coupling of those two things. It's been the matching of the organic investments with the macro capital markets trends that are occurring. And I think that alongside of that is certainly with Portal, we're hyper careful about even our micro level geography of where we're operating. Being in a live, work, play neighborhood like Fulton Market, and where we are kind of non-denominational to the rest of the academic landscape here in the center of the city, matters. Where you're at in a given geography makes a difference as well. So I think we've benefited from a few of those things, and that will be part of our criteria as we look to take the model to other markets, to really be careful around picking the right locations, even within those geographies that we think can grow and scale.